Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use suggestion mode in Google Docs. This feature is perfect for editing documents without permanently changing the original text. It's commonly used for teamwork, proofreading, school projects, and professional editing. Now let's get started. First, open your document in Google Docs. Now look at the top right corner of the document. You'll see a drop-down that usually says Editing. Click it. From here, select Suggesting. As you can see, Google Docs is now in suggestion mode. Now, instead of directly changing the document, every edit you make becomes a suggestion. For example, if I delete a word or type something new, the changes appear in a different color with a suggestion box on the side. This allows other people to review the edits before officially accepting them. On the right side, you'll see options to accept a suggestion or reject it. This makes collaboration much safer because no original content gets permanently removed right away. You can also leave comments together with your suggestions to explain why you made the change. Suggestion mode is especially useful for teachers, editors, coworkers, and group projects where multiple people are viewing the same document. And that's it! Thanks for watching!